Hi everyone, hope you are doing well and all are excited. Welcome to Shanti Ghosh videos. Today is 16th January and there are a few things will happen and this video will be very exciting. You will get very important information about the O Connect, about the choice. It will be your choice to avail the benefits in first cycle, specifically traffic benefits, the qualification for traffic distribution. Also, you will get important information about the O Connect subscription to avail the discount and up to 31st January, and beyond that what will happen. Also you will get very exciting information about the card payment in my wallet, revenue wallet, whatever credit is showing, you will get clarification on that, and also the payout. Now my dear friend, first thing, see, our honorable CEO he has indicated in the last corporate webinar that O Connect, the new release will be on 16th January with some of the features it is added and it will take to a new height. So stay tuned. The new release of O Connect, it may reflect in our ecosystem. Also, my dear friend, you know that O Connect, our honorable CEO has given an offer of heavy discount, $50 discount to founders and general public, that is up to 31st January, okay? So to avail the discount, you can subscribe the O Connect by 31st January. Now about whoever is used to avail the benefits of traffic, exclusive benefit of traffic, that is for founding members. The paid early birds means who are the paid members, paid founders who have subscribed the O Connect, they will become eligible, and the cut-off date it was indicated 16th January, okay? So, my dear friend, if you wish to avail the benefits of traffic, because traffic will make a difference, and ONPASSIVE O Connect is making a difference in the video web conferencing market, and many things are happening behind the scene. So whoever wish to avail the benefit of first cycle traffic, because traffic ultimately it will facilitate that there will be a sale, and in first sale we will get 100%, okay? First sale, let's say some of the founding members already they have getting benefits of commissions and their first sale is done, okay? So based on that, and first sale 100%, subsequent sale 25%. So this will be the great opportunity. In one sale itself, you will get the break even, okay? Or you can say your payback, okay? Now my dear friends, see the traffic, whatever is there. ONPASSIVE is the traffic driving phenomena through various marketing campaigns, and there are various things has happened, and also it will happen in future also, okay? So let us say you have taken decision and you have taken appropriate action and you have subscribed, so you will get the benefits of traffic, okay? As a founder, okay? And whoever is not able to subscribe, let us say by 16th January, that cut-off date and time, and if you subscribe, you will be eligible for the second cycle, okay? That second cycle traffic distribution will start. You will come to know progressively. But first cycle it will start. Okay. So even let us say after 31st January the subscription will be on, but it will have a different subscription model, maybe multiple packages or multiple time period, maybe monthly, quarterly, yearly, like that. Whatever indicated by our Honorable CEO in various corporate webinars, okay? And it may be upward or whatever things will happen, that will be decided by our Honorable CEO and the team, okay? Based on the things of OConnect. So whatever is in hand, because you know, one bird in hand is better than 10 birds in a bush. Okay. And my dear friend, see, OConnect is not the only product. Various products will be launched with various pricing model and various, let us say, commission structure. Our Honorable Sri indicated that 4 to 5 products will first sell 100% commission, subsequent sell 25%. After that, the things may undergo various things, okay? You will come to know periodically, okay? So if you wish to have, fine. Otherwise, as a founding members, your benefits will be there up to the founding membership position, okay? Because founding membership position that will expire on 1st September 2024, because that clock has already started for 1 year, okay? From 1st September 2023. So then that time you can take the benefits, okay? This is up to you, entirely up to you. Because it is your decision, your choice, it's your life. Now about the card payments. See, I'll give the practical experience. I'm having multiple accounts, and for some of my relatives I made the payments, okay? I made payments successfully in September itself, in median period, and last few days I made few card payments, and yesterday also I made 2 payments, and all the payments at first instance it becomes successful. So if you follow the process, it becomes successful. Yesterday, through various webinars or various, let us say, YouTube videos, we got the information that some of the people, their card payment failure it is showing. But if you follow the process, I will explain the process, so it will help to many, okay? For whoever is making card payments for OConnect, please log into OES through your OMail ID and password. Go to the marketplace, click the marketplace. You will find the OConnect and OConnect logo. There is a button, get it now. If you press that button, it will take to the payment things, okay? Payment options, card option. You fill the CAPTCHA. Put the subscribe, see, it will show $200, okay? My dear friend, don't worry, you will put the subscribe, no? For founding members, you have to pay only $93. Please check that, okay? And once you put that subscribe, you have to fill the card number, expiry date, CVV number. Please fill the details correctly. Then card holder's name. Let's say the card holder who is paying, maybe for self or maybe for other person, doesn't matter, but card holder name you have to put correctly. Address you have to put correctly. That is a zip. Zip is nothing but a pin code. You have to put the mobile number. Mobile number is the mobile number you have to give the bank or from where you have procured the card, okay? Then submit it. Once you do the things, no, that payment will show $93. on passive technologies. Okay, we'll see. Once you confirm that, after that you don't do anything. Okay, it is totally automated. After some time, that payment success message will come. After that, also don't do anything. The second message will come. It will take you to the OES, and after some time, it will give you success. So within few seconds, it's happening. Okay, and once it's success, you can download your bill details. It will reflect in my subscription. You will get the subscription date, end date of subscription, all the full details you will get it. So my dear friend, follow the process, it will become successful. Okay, whether you can try let's say today 16th January cutoff if you are still able, or 31st January to avail the discount, or beyond that also this will be helpful. Wish you all the best. Thanks a lot for active watching.